Namaste, welcome back to Sitapragna channel, and you are watching AWS Cloud 2, AWS Cloud projects for beginner to expert level. And in previous project we have seen a service which is called Poly, which converts text to speech, and we are going to do a project today which is going to do the other way around, which is going to convert speech to text. And there is a service for that. We will see in a minute. And if you remember in the previous project, we ran into some issues, silly issues though. There was some issue with S3 event triggering, but that's fine. Uh, we we hacked through that and finished it successfully. So let's go and do this project. And as you can see, it's speech to text. Hello there. I work at the customer service center. We have a complex situation. Can you help us? Hey there. What's the situation? We get numerous customer calls to our call center, which are recorded for quality assurance. We want to convert the call recordings into text so that we can analyze them in the future. Is there a process for converting audio to text that isn't too complex? This sounds interesting. Are the customer calls predominantly in one language or multiple languages? We currently receive calls in English only, but we have plans to expand globally, and we would like to explore the possibility of multiple language support. Got it. We can use Amazon Transcribe to translate the audio recordings to text. Transcribe also supports multiple languages, and it can automatically identify the language spoken in a media file without you having to specify a language code. Really? Can you tell me more about Transcribe? Transcribe is an automatic speech recognition service that uses machine learning models to convert audio to text. Using Transcribe's features, you can ingest audio input, produce easy to read transcripts, improve accuracy with language customization, and filter content to ensure customer privacy. Interesting. How do I know if Transcribe is giving accurate results? The service returns a confidence score for each result, indicating whether it has higher or lower confidence in the results. This sounds really cool. Can this job be automated? We generate hundreds of audio files every day. Yes, Transcribe supports API actions that can perform batch processing. The service supports multiple programming languages such as .NET, Go, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and Ruby. To help automate the transcription process, you can also combine other AWS services with Transcribe, such as S3 and Lambda. It sounds like we can move ahead with this project. Can you help us create a demo that automatically converts audio files to text? Sure, why not? Alright, so we are going to do something similar to the last two projects, except instead of Textract or Poly, we are going to use Transcribe. And in the video concepts, as you expected, we will have Transcribe. So go ahead and watch all the videos, which will walk you through the in and outs of Transcribe. And if you watch the last two videos, I struggled a lot with the quizzes because I didn't watch these videos yet. I tend to watch at the end because these videos are available only while I do this lab, and as you know, I don't play them these videos here, so I had to watch it after. That's why I'm doing very bad at the quizzes, because these videos explain each and everything that they ask in the quizzes. Since I'm not watching, I'm doing very bad. In last two quizzes, I got 2 out of 5. I hope you watched the video and you scored more than me. Anyways, you can watch these videos in the playlist that will pop up here. If it already didn't, then it will pop up right now. Click on it, go search with this video name and watch it and come back. All right, let's look at the solution. In this solution, users upload an audio file and convert it to text, then transcribe. Using Transcribe. Transcribe is an automatic speech recognition service that helps you add speech to text capabilities to any application. Transcribe features, you can ingest audio, we already went through that. And S3 bucket is configured with Lambda trigger that invokes a Lambda function, and then Lambda invokes Transcribe. Then Transcribe stores, returns a text in JSON format. Lambda saves the text file to S3. Transcribe supports many audio and video files. So that's about it. So let's go ahead and see what are the practice lab goals. We will use Transcribe to convert, Lambda to make an API call to Transcribe, add S3 event, and we'll update it to convert another audio file. So pretty much that's it. So let's start the practice. Let's start the lab, and there will be some files. Okay, we have one file in MP3 format, another one in MP4, another one in WAV. Let's go to the steps. Oh, there are 49 steps. Let's see what they are about. So let's go to S3 and let's open that bucket and let's create a folder called input. And then, oh, we are also creating the output folder. Okay. And let's upload one file, the .mp3 file. Did they already configure everything? Maybe they did. Close it. Let's go to transcribe and transcription jobs. Oh, okay. So I think it's not, at least the UI is not similar to Poly or Trans Extract, wherein we can just upload a file and get it done. But looks like we have to create a job, and we are going to choose specific language, and that would be English US. We are going to use general model, or if you have your own language model, you can choose that. Then we are going to browse the input file that we just uploaded. Service managed S3 bucket output. Subtitle file format. And then that is the bucket for the input, I am assuming. Yes, we select the file. Then we come to the service managed S3 bucket, click next. And then we can review audio identification alternative. Let's go through them because they tend to ask questions and I am unable to answer them. Content removal, you can automatic content redaction or vocabulary filtering. Okay, once you create it, it's going to take some time. Okay, it is done. And once it is done, let's click on that, go here, and it will show you Amazon Transcribe is an automatic speech recognition service, etc. The text. So now let's do that, but automated way. How would we do that? We would use Lambda. Let's go there, go check it out, and replace that with either MP4 or WAV because those are the two files we have. Did they even show us? Yeah. Oh, they are telling us to replace it with MP3. Then this code is already there. Copy it and paste it in the event name. And I guess we need to change the bucket name there. Then test it, and you will see something similar. And you will see the JSON format of the transcribed. And as you can see, it is in return going to execute a transcribe job. That is what they are showing here. Once that is done, they uploaded the JSON file to the S3 output bucket, which you can see here. We can download it, and if you open it, it will show you something similar to whatever we have seen on Transcribe GUI. You can see the confidence level 1.0, and they're showing from what time to time that rate, and from there to there its confidence is this much, so on and so forth. They are asking us to repeat the same process for MP4, but this time we are going to make the S4 trigger it. Choose all object create events. Why? Input MP4 add it. Now let's go ahead and upload the MP4 file, and then this should trigger it, and then it should create a file. That's about it. So let's not do any mistakes this time. I mean, I don't think we made any mistakes last time. One or two, I guess, but that's okay. So let's go to S3. Let's go to this one. Create, input, create, output. Okay, let's go here. Let's upload. Okay, we have the MP3 file here. Let's upload it. Close it. Let's click on here, and we are going to choose, what is the service name? Transcribe. Okay, let's open it. Transcription job. So let's create a job. Specific language, that's default. General knowledge, sorry, general model. Let's bounce through this. Let's click on that. click on that, select that, choose, and valid file formats MP3, MP4, WAV, FLAC, AMR, OGG, and WebM. Service managed, and file formats SRT, VTT, tags. Next, audio identification, channel identification, speaker partitioning, alternative results, PHI identification, protected health information, HIPAA, toxicity detection, PII redaction. Okay, if you want, you can any of these. If you want to redact, like it will show it as like scraped or something, like it will mask them. And vocabulary filtering, choose a vocabulary filter. I guess we have to create them somewhere here, custom vocabulary. If you have something like that, I guess. Let's create the job. Okay, not sure how long that is going to take. So no refresh. That's weird. Okay, now that makes sense. Okay, it is complete. If I go here, you can see the text. Okay, easy. Doesn't it show the, what do you call it? The, okay, I just forgot about it. You know, it's, oh my God, I forgot. We'll get there. Okay, so this is the manual way. Now let's go ahead and do it the automated way. So let's open the Lambda for that. The confidence level, yeah, that's what I was looking for the word. That didn't show. Maybe we can see it from some other place in there. That's all right. Let's go ahead and somewhere here they will mention the format of the file. For the initial one or the one that we did there, let's go there, put that. Let's deploy it, nothing else. And if I scroll down, they already have a sample data record, test, event, delete this, paste this. We need the bucket name though. So let's paste the bucket name here. And is this a file name? I hope so. So let's save it. Let's test it. It will run. One validation error. MP? Seriously, I put MP3. So I think we need to deploy it once again because it didn't deploy this version. Let's save it, deploy it. Okay, is it done? Yeah, okay, done. Now let's test it. Okay, that is done. If I go here and if I go to jobs, you will see that is still in progress. If I go back and come back, I think it's still running. Wow. Yeah, it is complete now. The confidence level, where does it show the confidence level? Hmm, I don't know. That's okay. So let's go here, which is what we did. Now let's go ahead and replace that with MP4. Okay, let's save it. Let's deploy it. Now let's add trigger. We did this. Let's not make the same mistake again. Click it, select that, click it. There is for some reason select all. Not sure why. Input slash dot MP4. We acknowledge it, add it. Now let's go to here, upload, select a file. Okay, I have the MP4, upload it, close it. Now let's go here. Okay, as you can see, it triggered it and it is running as we speak. Okay, once that is done, in the output you should see it's still running. That's why you are seeing a temporary file. But once it finishes running, you should see another JSON file. Okay, looks like that is done, and I think it is this one. Okay, so if I go ahead and open that, this is the file. So as you can see, the confidence, for them it showed 1, and for us it's not even showing 1, it's 0 point. It's not that confident, huh? But that's all right. So that's about the practice lab. Let's go to DIY, and they want the bucket name. That is the bucket name. Update the Lambda code and S3 event trigger to convert audio. Wow, it's just basics. Same thing. Whatever we did for MP4, they want us to do it for wow. Okay. Okay, let's add it. Let's go. Input, upload, add the file, upload it. That is done. So if I go here, there is no refresh. Oh, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. It is not triggering it. Okay, it is not triggering it. Why? Wow. And we selected wow. And I hope it has. Oh, yeah. We don't have to give dot wow, right? I guess that should be fine. This one always gives trouble. Okay, triggers. What if I select this, delete it? Or is it taking time? Maybe it's a big file, we never know. Or maybe not. So it didn't trigger it. So let's copy. Okay, we cannot force it, right? Because it won't. So let me rename the file like last. Okay, I did that. Click upload. Okay, now let's see. Okay, yeah, I think there is some problem with. Hold on a minute. I don't see it here, but what is this temp file? This is an old file. Right now the time is not 23. Okay, makes sense. Maybe it's for that one. Okay, the trigger is again not working. Yeah, again the triggering is not working. Yeah, I don't like triggering event for some reason. It's not working. Right? So let's go here. This is not even triggered. Just so you know that this code is not getting triggered. It's not about this problem because if this is not even triggered, then what is it? So let's go ahead, delete it, close. Maybe we created it incorrectly. Let's add trigger S3. That's the bucket. Yeah, I think that's fine. input slash dot wav, and I clicked on that star add. Let's go here, let's go to the code, make sure. Okay, so let me go here. All right, wow, format it said that one, and still it's not triggering it. That's the funny part. Still not trigger. Yeah, okay, now it triggered it. Yeah, I think there is some problem with these triggers. Okay, that is complete. Validate it. I hope green. Okay, it's taking forever just to cross check it. Seriously? Alright, it is doing the same thing like last time. Could not find JSON. Why? Okay, there is looks like there are some bugs in here. So if I go here, see, it deleted all of them. But why? I didn't manually run it, did I? I ran it from here. Okay, how come this had two files? I thought I only uploaded one. There are, I seriously, something is going on here because this finished running. Let me close these ones. It finished running, right? And if I go here and select text, oh, it didn't convert anything. Oh, okay, it won't show it here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's go ahead. Let me upload one more time. Okay, so let's select that. Okay, where is the cursor? Upload it. I uploaded it. This would have triggered this one, and it did. Okay, let's see. For some reason, they are deleting everything in the output folder. Okay, this is complete. Now, if I go here, okay, we saw this JSON, right? Download it. That's the response. And if I had to download the actual conversion, let's download it. Okay, so this is the file that it converted. Okay, you can see that, right? Now, if I go ahead here, validate. Now it worked. I don't see what is the I don't see a difference. I don't know. That's weird. Anyways, we don't have any headaches. We finished it. Okay. Now see you in the quiz. Just wait a minute. Let me skip all this and let's see you in the quiz. Oh yeah, we still have the delivering the news to them. Thank you for your help. Okay, let's do something. Doesn't matter. We can even buy the other models for I guess 30 gems or 50 gems, something like that. I did buy some of the other ones. I think anyways we are close enough. I thought there is only one more project, but recently they added a couple of projects for AI. So I think we will have two to three more projects. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the quiz. And I don't have much expectations based on the last two performances. Remember, 2 out of 3. I got 2 out of 3. Yes, you heard me. So let's try to better that score. If you have watched the video, you would score more than me, but let's see. Which video subtitle file? Ha, formats. I know one of them is this. I think it's this too. Oh no. Why? Hold on a minute. Hold on. Oh, they closed it. I cannot go back and see. I mean, is it? Isn't it? Maybe the TRS thing is not. Maybe the other one is. What is a valid use case for transcribe? Analyze call center customer conversation. Seriously? Did they ask two? Sometimes I don't tend to read the question. And we are not having a good start at all, even for this. Already 2 out of 2 wrong. Which AWS service uses machine learning models to convert speech to text? Seriously. Okay, if I do all three right or all the two right, the next two, then I will break the curse of me getting 2 out of 5. Let's hope. Text transcribe can extract text from both audio and video files. True. Yes. 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. One more to go. Instead of trying to get 5 out of 5, now I am just happy scoring more than 2 out of 5. Which Amazon Transcribe API can be called to determine the status of a recently submitted transcription job? Oh man, gone. I think it is this, but I don't know. No, 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 no. It's a goner. It's a goner. It's a goner. It's what happened? Okay, 2 out of 3 hat trick. Looks like I'm not going to score in these ones. All right, I hope you scored better than me. Don't forget to leave in the comment my score, which is 2 out of 5, and whatever your score is. Thank you for spending your time here. See you in the next video. Peace out. Have a great day.